I'm Jeremy Stacy, work here at Summit Point Roofing. I've been here 10 years now. I've held a variety of positions, but now work currently as a sales manager. We started a renovation about a year and a half ago, and we're looking into the costs and benefits of adding offices, adding office space. Heard about Ecolution, got connected, and they took great care of us from start to finish and putting the pods together and getting us what feels like a custom-built office space that we didn't have to custom build. We have a couple executive offices with some of the mid-sized pods. We have conference room space with the larger pod. Got another small meeting space for like one-to-ones and small group meetings. We started using them and realized like, hey, we'd love this door to swing this way. Hey, we'd love to adjust this a little bit. We'd love to adjust the interior. We'd like a bigger desk, and to have the options to add those things afterward and work with the team to make those things happen was awesome. So, we said, hey, we'd love the store to swing this way. They came back in and put it back together within the next week, and it was awesome. One of the things that we tell our customers about our products that we use, there's a lot of comparable products out there. GAF, our shingle manufacturer, is an American company. Everything is made here. Michigan City is where they manufacture the shingles. So to hear that the pods that we were going to be getting or that we were looking into were also American manufactured was a big plus for us. As far as sustainability goes, from a shingle manufacturer, GF is one of the few that recycles products, and to be able to utilize, a company that feels the same and utilizes recycled products. I mean, it was fun learning about them as they were being assembled, to see, some of the pieces of the interior and how the soundproofing was being put together, and to know that it was all recycled products was really cool. I would definitely recommend Ecolution pods to other companies. I think it's just a great option in regards to your ability to accomplish your goals in regards to an office space, just to have space and places for people to go and work that's private, but also feels like an open concept has been awesome. And the ability to make it fit to what you need and keep the cost down was a huge driver for our decision.